right, I'm excited to share with you the newest stock that I bought last week, and that is Pinterest. And in this video, I'll describe a little more in detail about why I chose Pinterest as a stock to purchase last week. I'll share with you my proprietary discounted cash flow valuation model, which calculated the fair value of the stock to be significantly undervalued right now at current market prices. And I'll share with you a few of the other details that led me to purchase this undervalued growth stock for my personal portfolio. So let's jump into the details. All right, so one of the reasons why I've liked Pinterest, and I actually have been rating Pinterest as one of the best stocks to buy all year long. So I ranked Pinterest on my list of top stocks to buy this year all the way in January. So I've been sharing with you my bullishness on Pinterest stock all year long. And so one of the reasons why I've been excited about Pinterest as an investment is because of the revenue growth and the growth of the business overall. Revenue has increased by a compounded annual growth rate of 33% between 2017 and 2025. Pinterest generated $3.9 billion in trailing 12-month revenue, and that's still a fraction of the big giant in the social media industry, Meta Platforms. Pinterest is also growing in the most lucrative segment, which is in the United States and Canada. It's added a few million monthly active users from that region, which is difficult to grow inside because it's such a saturated market already. But Pinterest is finding new users in these regions. Overall, the company generates revenue, of course, from advertising, as most social media companies, most of them, over 90% of their revenues are generated from advertising. Pinterest is no different. And the advertising industry is a massive industry. It's estimated to generate roughly $1 trillion in global spending this year. And that's expected to increase by roughly 8% next year. And my personal estimate is that the advertising industry will continue growing into eternity. Eternity. That might be the only industry where I can make that kind of prediction and forecast, because so much of our worldwide economy, everything based on advertising. Now, there might be a year or two where advertising spending declines. For instance, during the severe recession, I think in that year or maybe 2 years, ad revenue might decline. Click the link below to watch the full video.